Sir, have you opened up a case against the mother at this time? The state would like to call, just a second here. The mother here in this matter, Ms. Morgan. Ms. Morgan, can I get you to state your name for the record?
Beyonce Morgan.
And Ms. Morgan, who does the child currently reside with?
He's with his father, Melvin Kelly.
Thank you. And has the child been residing with the father since May of 2021?
Yes.
And are you in agreement to providing the possession credits for the child from May 2021 until present date?
Yes.
Have you been able to review the pay record as it relates to this case?
Yes.
Are you in agreement to the state taking a judgment in the amount of $32,529.27 as of yesterday?
Yes.
And do you understand this is the amount with the credit for possession, which is a total of $5,547.40?
Yes.
I'm sorry, repeat that number, 5,000.
Yes, $5,547.40. And as it relates to the court judgment, the state is requesting a judgment amount of $4,791.22.
Yes.
And are you in agreement to the father paying a total of $75 per month for the medical support judgment until that is paid off?
Yes.
And are you also in agreement to the father paying the court costs as billed today?
Yes.
All right, do you have any additional information that you would like to offer to the court at this time?
No, I don't.
And do you understand that there's been no case that has been opened against you, being that the child is currently residing with the father?
Yes, that's correct.
No further questions for this party, Your Honor. At this time, Your Honor, the state would like to call the father here in this matter. Mr. Kelly, can I get you to state your name for the record?
Melvin Kelly.
And Mr. Kelly, did you hear what I previously read into the record that was agreed to by the parties?
Yes, I heard you.
And are you in agreement to the term that you previously agreed to, sir?
The previous term for
Again, the term that you,
yes, but I'm trying to see with the 4,000 you said, would that come out of that?
Mr. Kelly, he read some agreements at the beginning.
I
They
heard it.
didn't include anything about the arrears. He's just trying to confirm that you agreed to the beginning portions that are ready. That's it, not the contested
Oh,
portion.
no.
Okay, so you don't agree the child's living with you.
I agree that you saying y'all not being
You
specific.
agree
You
that
saying
carry
all the
insurance.
time. I agree on that. You saying the whole thing, it's different terms. I'm not in agreement with
You're not
all of them.
listening, Mr. Kelly. That's
I'm
not the
listening,
question.
bro.
You're not
I'm
listening.
listening.
No, you're not. Because his announcement at the beginning of the hearing was that y'all agreed the child was living with you, that we were stopping your child support, and you were going to carry insurance. We're just trying to confirm with you that you agree to those portions. Is that do you agree with those?
Okay, yes, I do.
Now we can deal with the contested issues.
may I proceed, Your Honor?
Yes.
At this time, Your Honor, the state would like to offer into the record will be labeled as Exhibit 1, which is the pay record here in this matter. The state is requesting permission to share our screen.
Yes.
This is a 24-page document, Your Honor, so the state is going to try to just skim through here so we can get towards the bottom. Right, Your Honor. So again, the state is requesting to enter into evidence Exhibit 1.
Exhibit 1's admitted.
Can we stop sharing the screen at this time, Your Honor?
Leave it up there a minute just so they can look at it.
Thank you, Your Honor. And sir, as it relates to the child is currently residing with you, is that correct?
Correct.
Child has been residing with you since about May of 2021, is that correct?
That's correct.
Sir, do you understand that based off of the possession of the child, with the child residing with you, the mother has agreed to provide a possession credit in the amount of $5,547.40. Are you in agreement to that, sir? As it relates to the judgment after the possession credits, the state is requesting a judgment in the amount of $32,529.27 as of October the 3rd, 2023. Are you in agreement to that amount, sir? Could you explain to the court why you're not in agreement to pay the amount that you currently owe after possession credits?
Because like her being a custodial parent, it comes with rights. I mean, not rights, but responsibilities, and she was put under an oath or whatever to do her part. And like when she left the state and dropped the kids off, she didn't report that to the courts. So that could have violated that could have violated the policy. They could have violated the whole order right there.
And sir, do you understand that the party has given you credit for the time to which you've had the child?
I wouldn't say given, but credit is provided because I have been taking care of him alone with my other children, just me with no support. So that
As a,
she agreed to it. I understand it.
sir, as it relates to the medical support judgment, the state is requesting a judgment in the amount of $4,791.22 as of October the 3rd, 2023, and requesting that you pay that back at $75 per month. Are you in agreement to this amount, sir? And sir, as it relates to the child support judgment, do you understand that the state is requesting $200 per month until that is paid off?
Yes, and no, I'm not in agreement with that because I don't think that it's being considered that I have one other son, a 12-year-old son, but it's not also being considered that I have a 17-year-old staying with me too. So I just want to know if the number can get lowered or something like that, because I'm not just with one child that I already have, but I have him too, the 17-year-old child too.
Sir, do you understand that the amounts that's been provided to the court are the amounts that you already owe? This is not something that's new. These are monies that were previously due to the mother that were not paid.
Correct, I understand it, but I just wanted to know, could the payment be lowered a little bit? I didn't say like that I shouldn't pay it, but I just want to know, can the payment be a little lower, because it's kind of tough dealing with raising a child on your own and with bills and all, and he's a senior and all type of, I'm buying him a car and like things is that other factors that I have expenses.
And sir, as you speak about those expenses, did the mother not have those expenses as well when the child was residing with her?
I always play my part. I've never not been in taking care of my children or not helped. Since I've had the children, I've got $0, nothing from her. She's also carried the children on her income tax. Well, she carried him for the last 2 years and gave us nothing. So,
and sir, were you able to review the financial
I
report
reviewed it. I reviewed it, and I understand what you're saying. I just, yeah, you're right. But will it, yeah, okay. Will it cancel out anything like when after I go file my child support case? So we'll just be paying money back and forth to each other. I'll be getting money from her and she'll be getting money from me, and it'll just be going back and forth.
And sir, have you opened up a case against the mother at this time?
I will today.
No further question for this party, Your Honor.
Or you can stop sharing the screen.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, so you didn't pay your child support. That's pretty simple there. If you look at that pay history, man, it's a terrible pay history. You didn't do much of paying any support. You may be paid a few months here and there, and most of the time you didn't pay anything at all. So it would be ideal here if you did paid your child support, and we'd be talking about you owing $0, but you chose not to make your payments. I guess you now realize how expensive it is to raise a child. And so, I mean, that's what it is. So child support arrears, I can only give you credit for the time you had possession. You owe the money that you didn't pay her when you didn't have possession. You owe $32,529.27. That's after the possession credits. You're only entitled to those possession credits, nothing else. And I'm ordering your payment to be at $300 a month because you have a lot of money that you owe. You need to pay this a lot sooner. I don't even think 200 is right. So I'm setting it at $300 a month until you pay off the balance. Medical support arrears are $4,791.22. You'll need to pay that at $75 a month until paid in full. When you pay these balances off, then you don't have to pay anything anymore, but you've chosen not to pay it over a long period of time. So now it's going to take you an even longer period of time to pay off these arrears.
Right.
Y'all's office will draft an order and email y'all both a copy. Y'all are done with court. You can press the leave button on the Zoom to exit out.
Can I ask one question, Judge?
What question? Yeah, you're gonna just
it's about the money that was put up in the account from like the last year or so. They said it was going to
credit for that.
I'm getting credit for that too.
If there's money on hold, you'll get credit for that, and then you're gonna know the difference.
Okay.
All right, y'all can press leave to exit out.
Thank you.